All right, guys, we're going to take a look at Nvidia. So we're going to do a little bit of weekend homework here. We're going to go over some names. I'm going to be releasing some videos on some stocks that we can watch, whether you trade stocks, you trade futures, you trade options. But one of the names that I'm going to be looking at here is going to be Nvidia. So Nvidia has been pulling back the last 5 days, ever since coming back and getting rejected off this top channel level here. That $500 psychological is not just a psychological level, but it was a level of, serious kind of daily supply, right? So if we look at the linear regression sitting here at around 500, you can see the last time that we topped out at 502, we got rejected there as well, came back down to the bottom of the channel. We got rejected here yet again, came back down to the bottom of the channel. Now, when we did gap down below this channel level, we tried to quickly test this 20-day moving average as support here on the 7th, and then we were able to reclaim it. So Nvidia did look good for that potential dead cat bounce. However, we were rejected again at that channel level, sitting at around 468. So what I'm looking for going into next week, right, coming, on the 11th, right? So tomorrow's going to be Monday. So Monday session, Tuesday, Wednesday. What I'll be looking for is any type of bounce. I'm probably going to ignore on Nvidia until it can start clearing back some daily levels of supply, right? Until then, I'm probably going to more so ignore those bounces and look for this loss of the 50-day moving average on the daily time frame, which is going to be around $451.50, right around that range, right? So the price that I have right now is 451.77. Again, this is subject to change by a few cents here and there, but the 50-day moving average is sitting at 451.10. So if we start to lose Thursday's lows and Friday's lows and we get below, right? Again, a lot of traders are going to think that this is a potential bounce spot, which it could be. You could get that intraday kind of reversal off this area, which is completely true. However, your bigger potential, meaning where can you potentially catch a nice trending day, could be when we do start to crack down below that 50-day moving average. Your next support on Nvidia is sitting at 443, and then below that all the way down at 430. So just one of the reasons why we're going to keep an eye on Nvidia. It's been the hottest stock of the market, definitely of 2023. It's got a lot of room to come down and still look okay going back up to the upside is what I'm trying to say. It's not like Nvidia has been shorted to hell. It's not like it's all the way down in the dumps. It's got a lot of room to pull back where potentially you can make a lot of money. Now, again, guys, I have 3 more spots open in the lifetime membership for the Evolution Traders community. With that, you're going to get courses. You're going to get the daily live stream webinars that we're doing every morning at the market open for 5 days a week. You're also going to get access to the chat room, access to the watch list, access to intraday technicals, and also start building that camaraderie with other traders who are doing this on a day in and day out basis. Sometimes it helps getting around a room of active traders who not are only necessarily winning every single trade, because even myself, we're going to lose trades. It's not about losing trades, but it's about how to lose properly and manage those losses and still be able to take a series of trades to be profitable at the end of the week, at the end of the month, end of the quarter, so forth and so forth. So again, also with that Evolution Traders Lifetime membership, you guys do get access to one-on-one coaching calls. So you can go to my calendar, you can book a 30-minute or a 1-hour coaching call. We can get on and we can talk about strategy. We can talk about your trading plan, building that out tailored to you. We can talk about recaps on specific trades that maybe you took, the market, go over strategy help, whatever you guys need to be. Again, I'm only doing 3 more spots at that lifetime membership price. Again, evolutiontraders.com if you guys want to be a member and get access to that, or check my community post on my channel. But I'll see all of you guys in the next video.